Well, as you can see here, I'm coming up to where I need to turn into that hay press over there. Got my turn signal on. Just here, just barely right around this corner here, I gotta make a left. Slowing down, engine brake, there it is. Turning left. And here's the idiot. Yeah, no contact. But I'm sure he had to change his shorts a little bit. What do you think? Yeah. That adjustment was me saving the video, and now I gotta go make sure everybody else is all right in that damn vehicle. Make sure I pull a little bit farther so I'm out of the road, and yeah. Let me go check on these guys. Nobody was hurt.